right. The file number 0 takeover. Zero to number 1. Ronald Rodriguez, 2 points. There you go. He's coming back in our 4th game. Mr. Rodriguez. Let's go. Ooh, what a tough jump shot by Mr. Prince. Alright, let's score. There we go. FAB playing his favorite playlist on our first quarter here at Federation Basketball. Alright. 0. Looking for a pass. Daliwao. Ooh, foul. Alright, you guys happy today? Sunday. Mr. FAB, please turn up the volume, please. The commissioner, please turn up your phone, please. Alright. 1 point. Alright. Need to make both referee. Ready? Thank you, sir. Ooh, 3-point by number 0. Alright, I see Records is here. Chief Gobble is here. Everybody's here. 35. Ooh, 2 points. The Kid Lightning, 8-5. Take over our basic sound players. I don't know what happened. Ooh, Jello, number 2, the left-hander. Ooh, 3-point no good. Daliwao, fast break, what a fake. Ooh, foul. Foul number 31. Shasta Rabi. 2 shots. First shot is good. 9-5. Second shot, short. Rebound by Asharabi. To 0. What a side step. 31. Yes, sir. Asharabi. 9-7 in favor of Team Basic. Counted by 8. The Kid Lightning. He's getting cold. Ooh, turnover. Foul number 11. Illegal screen. Rabi. To Halo. Ooh. Nice take by the Kid Lightning. 31. Kirby. No good. Alright, we're back here. That's 0 to Jill. Ooh, what a top shot. Rebound by Jill. 2 points. 13-7 in favor of Team Basic. That is just good. Ooh, Jello, no good. 2-0. The Kid Lightning, yes sir. 2 points and 1. 15, foul number 0. Third personal foul number 0. That's good. There you go. Rabi. Ooh, what a foul. Let's go by referee Sheep Congo. Foul number 1 by Basic. 60 foul by Team Takeover. First shots, no good. 3 minutes remaining. Second shot, no good. Rebound by 0. That's 11 to 0. Ooh, oh. There we go. Rodriguez to Daliwa for 3. No good. Rebound by Rabi. To Hollow. Layup, yes sir. What a fancy layup by Mr. Kirby Hollow of Team Takeover. 69 in favor of Basic. Jello. Mr. Fisher. The Kid Lightning. Will he answer? Will the Basic answer? No good. Ooh. Rebound by 35. Jump shot. No good. Ooh. Daliwa for EC2. 18-9. Substitution. Alright, we're back. Fisher. Alright, here we go. 35 Kid Lightning. The Kid Lightning. What a crossover with the Kid Lightning. Easy. Jump shot. Ooh! 3 point by the Kid Lightning. Russian. Jill. 21-9. What a Kirby Alex shot. Good. Cold. He's cold. He's cold for today's game. 11. Layup. Block. Foul. But foul number 30. Mr. Gideon Hollow. 40 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Today's game, Team Basic against Team Takeover. No good. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. 20 seconds. Rabi. Oh, steal by Rodriguez. The Kid Lightning. 11 seconds. Oh, 2 points by the Team Basic. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! And the first one. We have high school rules. Alright, here we go. The Kid Lightning. Back to Kid Lightning for 3. Ooh, he's hot. Water on fire. But Kid Lightning here in FAB 26-9. Alright, here we go. Rabi, fake, layup, no good, basic ball.
2, 3, help,
out of bounds. There we go. Number 3, Little Iverson. To 31, Rabi, Pape. No good. Rebound by Yao. The Kid Lightning for 3, or short. Air ball. Jello Pan. Fast break. Teardrop, no good. Rabi, power rebound, no good as well. Kirby, Mr. Allen, to number 2. Ooh, what a move by number 2. Fisher, Jello, Mr. H. Bomb, Swaggy Panda, to 0. To 83, here, whoa, 3 points by number 83. Mr. Hallow, 3 points, yes sir. Our score 29-14 in favor of Team Basic. For 3, no good. Rebound by Hallow. Number 8. Ooh, crossover. Ooh, what will do? Ooh, block. Gil by rebound. Gil, no good. Rebound by Gil. Good. Another rebound by Gil. Layup, Lason, he's good. 31-14 now in favor of Team Basic. Hallow, having trouble dribbling the ball. Pangan, Swaggy Pangan, yes sir, 16-31 in favor of Team Basic. Take over, will they come back? Or will they take over by Mr. FAB? 83, to Rodriguez, 2-0. Layup, yes sir. What a top layup by number 0. The Twin Tower with number 11. Jump shot, yes sir, by Kirby Hallow. 83 for 3, no. Hallow for rebound. Ooh. Little Iverson, no good. Rebound by Rodriguez. Gil. What will they do now? Will they win this time or will they still lose? Ooh, to 11. Backward, no good. Foul. Foul number 1, Mr. Rodriguez. Second personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. Alright, back to work right here. 2-0. 31 for 3. No good. Rebound by Team Basic. Will Daliwao answer? Will he answer it? Ooh, what a jump shot by Daliwao of Team Basic. He did answer it. Nice team by Daliwao. 3-point. Ooh, Daliwao for 3. 38-18, 24 lead by Team Basic. On the floor, foul. 3-0 Daliwao. Second team foul, out of bounds. 0. Floater, yes sir. 20-38. 18-point lead by Team Basic. Daliwao, 283 for 3. Yeah. Basic is hot. 41-30. There we go. Tuparan. Sluggy pattern. Ooh. Nice tip. Ooh, nice tip again by number 83. Little Monster. 2-0. Ooh. Tolabi. Yes, foul. 2 shots. Foul number 0 of Team Basic. 3 minutes, 10 seconds remaining. 21-point lead by the Team Basic. First shot, Dublin.
One shot.
Second shot, yes sir. 20-point lead now. Will they come back? Or will the Basic take over? Top shot, no good. Ooh. Rebound by Allen. Rabi. Pass to 0. To Pangan. Pangan. Pass to Rabi. No good. To 83. Little Monster layup. No sir. Rebound by number 0. Ooh, side step again. Ooh, in and out. In and out River. Brought to you by Filtration Basketball. To 83 again. 2 points. No sir. Out of bounds. Rabi for 2, good. Kirby Hollow, no. Rabi, no sir. Pangan, foul. Number 1, Mr. Rodriguez. Third personal foul, 14 foul. 2 points. First shot, ooh, in and out by Mr. Pangan. Second shot, short, rebound by 11. Kick it lightning to Daliwao. Daliwao, power move. What a shot by Dexter Daliwao of Team Basic, 43-21 in favor of Basic. Allen to 0. 2-3, I'm sorry. Rebound by Daliwao. To 0. What a pass. Oh, no good. Kirby Hollow, fast break. Slowing down the pace. Yes, sir. 2 points. Easy 2 by Mr. Kirby Hollow. 8-7. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Pangan for 3. Whoa! Nothing but the net by Mr. Swagi Pangan, number 2 of the team. 26-43 now. 2-0. Whoa! Foul on the floor. Number 30, Mr. Gideon Hallow. First team foul. Oh. Rabi steal. Slowing the pace. To Hallow. What a full fade. What's the goal? Traveling violation by the team takeover. To keep lightning. Takeover have one trap. Here we go. Ooh, Pangan pushed by Mr. Pangan. Second team foul. Second personal. Dhaliwal jump shot. His favorite shot, he don't make it. To the beat. Ooh. Ball movement. Ooh, what was that? 2 points, yes sir, by Mr. Swagi Pangan of Team Takeover. 28-43 in favor of Team Basic. Ooh. Pass to Jill. Pangan for 3. No good. Rebound by Hallow. Yes sir, easy two by Mr. Hallow. 30-43 now. There we go. Team SCS is coming here with Mr. John Escalante of Team ICB. Ooh, Kid Lightning. Pass to 11. What a block by Karabi. To Hallow. Fast break. Ooh, what a tip. Rabi for 3. No good. Rebound by 0. To Sanpan. Little monster. Ooh, for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. 46-30 now. 2 points for Pangan. No good. 6 minutes, 55 seconds remaining. Ooh. Foul, number 30, Mr. Hallow. Third personal foul, 13 foul. Ooh. To Kid Lightning, yes, EC2. Huge shout out for Mr. Arvin de la Cruz, Team SDS. He's asking me if I'm ready for the next game. Maybe yes, maybe not. Team SD. To Kirby. Ooh, jump shot. Ooh, air ball. Dhaliwal slowing down the pace. To 0. 283. What a pull up. Ooh, no good. Rebound by Kid Lightning. Jump shot. Short. Yeah, no good. Ooh, blocked by Mr. Rabi by number 31 of Takeover. Huge shout out for Mr. Russell. of Team ICE, playing his brother in the other side. Ooh, out of bounds by number 0 of Team Basic. Tupaman, deep 3, yes sir! 15-33, timeout. Yes sir, deep 3 by Mr. Swati Pagan. Mr. Chip Coco is smiling there. He likes to see the game in action. Will the kid like the answer? To Daliwao. Shot. Yes sir, 3-point by Mr. Daliwao. Nothing but net by IC. Pagan. Teardrop. No good. Kirby fall away. No good. Foul. Mr. Daliwao. 3-0. 61-42. 94 lead by the Basic. First shot. Yes sir. Substitution. 8-3. Out 0. How's the ICB going? Doing right there in the corner. There you go, they're quiet. They're probably scared to lose. Second shot is good. Roshan. The kid lightning. Yep. Calling the play. Screen. What a nice team by the takeover. Shot. Woo! Ringing like a villain by Kid Lightning. What a pass by the Pagan. What an easy 2 by Mr. Hala. 18-point lead. 3-point again. No good. 1-0. And the third quarter. Please follow us on Facebook at Filipino Asian Basketball. Give a shout out to STS and ICE for the next game. Basketball game. Fourth quarter. Zero, no good. Rebound by Pagan. Fast break. What a pass by Pagan. 31, easy 2. Kid Lightning, will he answer it? Ooh, what a cross by the Kid Lightning. There you go, Daliwao. What's the call? On the floor, foul. Foul number 8. Number 3, I'm sorry. Little Iverson. To Kid Lightning. Will he answer it? What a layup! No good. Rebound by Hallowed. Fast break. Looking for a pass. Pass to Iverson. To Pagan. Swaggy P. That's his nickname. Swaggy P. Easy 2. 64-50 now. What are you doing? Alright, good job. Thank you, sir. Please, if you guys need some, please let us know in front. To Daliwao for the answer. Oh, short. Rebound. Rodriguez, power move. Ooh, no good. Rebound by Rabi. To 0. To Hollow. Easy 3. Short. Rabi. Using the board, no good. Ooh, what a move by Mr. Daliwao. 2 points. Balan, foul, who's foul? Number 1, Rodriguez, substitution. Yeah. Substitution. Iverson out, Holloway in. Will back and answer. No good. Will the ice advance? Or will they? Ooh, no good. Is it the end of the season for the ice? Or will they advance for this game? That's a huge mention by Mr. ICE Records, G Money. 68-50 now. Rabi. Pass to 0. Pass to Paran. Deep 3. No good. Rebound by Daliwao. Daliwao looking for a pass. Ooh, what a fake. 3 points. No good. Rebound again by 83. To Daliwao. Another 3. Yes, sir. 3 points by Daliwao. 71-50 now. Ooh, crossover by Mr. Swaggy P. With the 3 points, no good. Ooh, what a fast pass, but turned over. That doesn't count. Timeout.
Kirby Hollow for 3. Number rebound by City. Shot by Taliban, no good. Rebound by Taliban. Lock by Gideon. Now number 0. Shot number rebound by Kirby. To number 0, Lin. To Rabi for 3. No good. Rebound by City. Turnover. Now Roshan Gill to Daliwan. Nice pass. Daliwan for 3. Long rebound by Tangan. Good steal by Roshan Gill. 74-52 to Kirby, to Lin, to Tangan, to Borma, to Mira. Malakas na konti. Rebound by Gideon. Swati Tangan. No good again. Rebound by Daliwan. To Roshan Gill for 3. 77-52. 2 first free throw. After first free throw. Who's Powell? 0. Serve back. First one is no good. Okay, stop. Pasok na to. Okay, all good. 2 minutes and 18 seconds. It's good. Sifu. 2. Oh, turnover. Last 2 minutes. Late. Pass to Kirby. Oh, Kalawin. Offensive rebound by Robbie Lee. 55-77. We're 0. Start back. Nice pass to Sifu for 2. 79-55. Tap. Lin. Shot by Lin. Number 3 rebound by Nakachi. Short. Okay. Gideon, hello. 58-79. Now here comes the lead lightning to Sifu. Then the rebound by Rodriguez for 2. Rodriguez. Nice side step. Oh! 39 seconds remaining. Like that. Whoa! Rebound by Rodriguez again. Good for 2. Kirby Halo. 14 seconds remaining. 14. Neo Nakachi. Whoa! The Neo boy for 2. It's over. Congratulations. Basics. 82